Now, talking about the visible radiation, which we are mostly concerned in, the visible radiation constitutes seven main colors that you are responsible to memorize them in order by using the abbreviation ROY-GBIB, where R stands for red, O for orange, Y for yellow, G for green, B for blue, I for indigo, and V for violet. And this is the only, or this group of electromagnetic spectrum of the electromagnetic spectrum. This group is the only one that can be seen by the eye of the human. And what you are responsible for also is to memorize the range of frequency of this visible light, just as you memorize the range of audible frequencies by the human ear. And the range of frequency of visible light is from 3.75 times 10 power 14 hertz until 7.5 times 10 power 14 hertz. And as you can see here, in order, Roy GBIB, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet finally. Now for UV radiation, ultraviolet radiation, it is used for sterilization, example for water sterilization, in which uh, contaminated water moves through a UV chamber. This is the UV lamp kills bacteria as water passes outside the sleeve. Here there are radiations coming out of this chamber, but we cannot see it by our eyes because the frequency of ultraviolet light is greater than the visible light, so we cannot see it. So here ultraviolet refers to ultra yani above violet. So the last color here in the visible light is the violet, and the very next group that has a frequency greater than the violet is the ultraviolet. Ultra means above, and here it's called infrared because infra means below red, so it has frequency less than the red. That's why it's called infrared. Now going back to the UV, the contaminated water moves through a UV chamber. The UV lamp kills bacteria as the water passes outside the sleeve, and here the water becomes safer, is ready for household usage. It comes out of here. So water comes in, then passes through this tube, being subjected to ultraviolet light, then it goes out without contamination. And here in this image, I'm showing you that it could kill viruses, bacteria, algae, fungi, or protozoa. It's also used in surgery rooms for sterilization. Now for X-ray, it's used for radiography. It penetrates the skin but not the bones. As you know, I think most of you have done X-rays imaging or have undergone X-ray imaging. So, and X-ray here is used for having an image of the cosmos and the outer space, and this is a picture caught by the NASA's X-ray telescope, which of course emits X-ray and then receives a reflection and an image of the cosmos outside. Gamma radiation used in treatment of cancer cells and sterilization also. And that's it. Now for the rules, just like all other waves, you can apply V equal lambda times F, and this formula uh, uh, could be written as V equal lambda over period. So it depends on what you're given. You use the formula that is appropriate, and F is 1 over T. Now in the description box, I'm going to add these links of YouTubes already present on the YouTube so that you can watch them, and they're more interactive. They will allow you to understand more the idea of electromagnetic waves. Thanks for watching.